My dear children, in this second module, we are going to study the important types of debentures. Debenture is a negotiable instrument, and the different types of debentures are classification on the basis of security. Debentures can be divided into two: secured debentures and unsecured debentures. And the classification on the basis of redemption, debentures can be divided into redeemable debentures and non-redeemable or irredeemable debentures. The next type is classification on the basis of records. Debentures can be divided into two. They are registered debentures and bearer debentures. Then on the basis of convertibility, debentures can be divided into two. They are convertible debentures and non-convertible debentures. Now we are going to study the different types of debentures in detail. Then first one, on the basis of security, debentures can be divided into two: secured debentures and unsecured debentures. Then first one is secured debentures. Secured debentures are also known as mortgage debentures. They are also known as mortgage debentures. These debentures are those which are secured either on a particular assets of the company called fixed charge or on all assets of the company in general called floating charge. Fixed charge denies the company from dealing with mortgaged assets, whereas the floating charge does not prevent the company from the use of assets. If the company is unable to repay the debentures on the due date, the debenture holders can realize their money from the assets mortgaged with them. First, the mortgage debentures are those debentures that have a first claim on the assets charged, and the second mortgage debentures are those having a second claim on the assets charged. In India, debentures have necessarily to be secured. Then another type of debenture is unsecured debentures. Unsecured debentures are also known as naked debentures. Unsecured debentures are those which are not given any security. The holders of such debentures are treated as unsecured creditors at the time of liquidation of the company. Such debentures are not very common these days, so that unless otherwise stated, the debenture is presumed to be secured. The next is classification on the basis of redemption. Then classification on the basis of redemption, debentures can be divided into two: redeemable debentures and irredeemable or non-redeemable debentures. Then first one is redeemable debentures. Redeemable debentures are those debentures which will be repaid by the company either in lump sum at the end of a specified period or by installments during the lifetime of the company. Most of the debentures are generally of this type. Another type of debenture is irredeemable or perpetual debentures. Irredeemable debentures are those debentures which are not repayable by the company during its lifetime. These debentures are repayable only at the time of liquidation of the company. Next is on the basis of records. They are registered debentures and bearer debentures. They are registered debentures and bearer debentures. Registered debentures means these debentures are registered. The names and address of the debenture holders of such debentures are recorded in a register of the company called Register of the Shareholders. This is the classification on the basis of records. Registered debentures means such debentures are not freely transferable. The transfer of such debentures requires the execution of a proper transfer deed. The principal amount and the interest on such debenture is paid to the person whose name appears in the company's register. The next is bearer debentures. Bearer debentures The names and address of the debenture holders are not recorded in the company, and these debentures are transferable by the mere delivery. The payment of principal amount and the interest is made to the bearer of such debentures. Next is classification on the basis of convertibility. Under that, there are two types of debentures. They are convertible debentures and non-convertible debentures. Convertible debentures are fully convertible and partly convertible. Convertible debentures are those debentures which are convertible into equity shares or other securities at a stated rate of exchange, either at the option of debenture holders or at the option of the company after a specified period. When only a part of the amount of debenture is convertible into shares, such debentures are called partly convertible debentures. When the full amount of the debenture is convertible into shares, such debentures are called fully convertible debentures. SEBI means Securities Exchange Board of India guidelines requires that where the conversion is to be made at or part or whole shall be the optional on the part of the debenture holders. Then convertible debentures are very popular these days as they provide liquidity, safety, capital appreciation and assured return to the investors. The next is non-convertible debentures. Non-convertible debentures are those debentures which are not convertible into equity shares or other securities at a stated rate of exchange, either at the option of the shareholders or at the option of the company after a specified period. These are the different types of debentures.